Hello Divination and welcome to our mini-series 5 ways on how to style Divi's countdown timer module. The countdown timer module is very important because it can be used on several pages. For example, sales pages, coming soon pages, or any page that has time sensitive information. So in this mini-series, I'll be showing you step by step how to style these pages and make them look very creative. The goal of this mini-series and all our mini-series is to provide you with free, fun, and practical web design exercises that will improve your mastery of the Divi WordPress theme, one day at a time. So this is the final design we'll be working towards in today's quick tip. As you can see, we have this animated video background, and we've also combined this with the gradient that we used in the previous tutorial to achieve this unique looking color on top of the video playing in the background. But before we start, we need to have a few things in place. One of them is the CSS code, which I'll link in the show notes below. Secondly, we're going to need this video that's playing in the background, and this can be found on this website called Avid Easy, and I'll also provide the link in the show notes below to download that video. Alright, so let's get started. Let me show you how we managed to build this. So first thing, you need to be in your admin dashboard, and we need to create a new page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on pages and then add new. And then here I'll just call this page VB for video background. And then I'm going to click on use the Divi builder. Right, now we need to go into the visual builder. So I'm going to click on use visual builder. So here, let's start off by adding a single row. And in that row, we're going to add the countdown timer. So I'm going to click on the countdown timer, and then we can just add a random date. I'll just go with January the 31st. And then here where it says use background color, what we need to do is to disable this because we want the video to take over this default color that we have here. So I'm going to click on that. Now, we can see that timer has disappeared, but it's there because, as you can see here on the text color, it's set to light. But we need it set to light because when the video comes in the background, that white color will stand out. I was just doing this to show you that there is something there, so you don't get confused. All right, so I'm going to click on that. Now we need to go into the design, and the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go to the numbers font and change this to 85. So here on the numbers font, I'm just going to slide towards the right until we get to 85, like that. And then the labels font needs to be size 15. So here I'm just going to add just one more to that 14 to make it 15. Now, the reason why we need to make this numbers font big is because we need that to really stand out. So that's why we've made it 85. Okay, so when we're done with that, go ahead and save. Now it's time to add the video. So I'm going to click on the gear icon on the section settings, and then I'm going to come here where it says a video MP4 and then click on upload. And then I have my video uploaded already, so I'm going to click once on it, and then I'm going to click on upload a video. So now we can see the video is in the background and it is playing. So that's pretty cool. So we're done with that. Next, it's time to add the CSS. So the CSS code I'm going to add is going to make the section full screen by making the section 100% of the viewpoint height. So this is important because we need this video to cover the whole page. So I'm going to paste the code here in the main element, and that's going to make it fill the whole screen. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to add the CSS class ID. So put your mouse over the countdown timer, click the gear icon, and then click on the CSS tab. Now on the CSS tab, this is where we need to add the CSS class ID. So once we've added the CSS class, what we need to do is to save. And then we're going to add some CSS to the page by going to the expand settings and clicking the gear icon. Now this enables us to access the CSS for this actual page. Here is the code that we need to paste. So if I just paste it there, you can see. So with this code, you can see that we've made some slight changes. We've also added these lines to the countdown timer. Now, to add that animated gradient, what we need to do is to add some more code, which we used in the previous tutorial. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do follow us on our social media platforms. We will be producing daily video quick tips similar to what you've seen today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.